Winter feed wheat, growing and harvesting. The winter feed wheat harvest took place at the Barne Estate outside Clonmel in the Monkstown Field, that is 88 acres, with the Slievenamon Mountain to the north. Richard Thompson Moore is the farmer. The wheat variety is KWX Lumus. It was sown in the third week of October 2018 at a rate of 13 stone of seed per acre. It was harvested in the third week of August 2019. The yield was 3.8 tons per acre and the moisture content was 15.6%. The bushel weight was 78. The wheat was ready to harvest as it was golden in colour and the stems were brittle. A combine harvester class 630 Lexion with a 6 metre long header equipped with reciprocating cutting knife, a revolving reel to push the cut crop into the auger once it is cut, was used. Two tractors with grain trailers were used to cart the grain to the farmyard. Colm O'Flaherty, farm manager, operated the combine. The output of the combine was 40 acres per 11-hour day. The wheat grain was carted to the farmyard and dried and stored. It will be sold and processed into feed for pigs. Straw. The straw was baled the day after cutting into large square bales with a New Holland BB 960. The bales measured 2.5 metre long, 1.2 metre wide and 0.9 metres high. The output of the baler is 60 acres per 12-hour day. The yield was 5 bales per acre. The baler picks up the straw from the ground, compacts the straw into a bale, ties twine around the bale and ejects the bale. The next crop in the field was winter feed wheat. The cultivation and seeding took place late in the year because of very wet weather. The min-till method of preparing the seed bed was used instead of ploughing. Firstly, a tractor-mounted kernel and cultivator CLC was used to break up and loosen the compacted soil. The working width is 3 metres. Secondly, a tractor-drawn Vada Strad Spirit or 300S, which is a pneumatic seeder drill, carried out levelling, seedbed preparation, reconsolidation, seeding and pressing in one pass. The working width is 3 metres wide. The tractor is 160 horsepower and travels at 14 kilometers per hour. Fertilizer. A tractor-mounted fertilizer spreader was used. The make and model was Bobali M2W with a holding capacity of 2.5 tons of fertilizer. Spraying. The crop was sprayed at different times to kill weeds, insects and diseases. The make and model was a John Deere M732. Tram lines are parallel lines in crops that allow farmers to drive through their fields to fertilize and spray throughout the growing season to avoid drying over the crop. The tram lines are 24 metres apart. Shown is a chart that gives the growth stages of winter wheat. This infographic chart gives a visual summary of the work activities that is easily understood. Thanks to Richard Thompson Moore and Colm O'Flaherty for their assistance and working knowledge. Please like and share.